Hi and hello students. In today's video we are going to see new chapter of EVS 2. Chapter number 9. Pratapgarh makes history. Pratapgarh makes history means Pratapgarh is one fort and on that fort one incident took place and which is famous in history. So it is told Pratapgarh makes history. First point of this lesson that we are going to see, that is Adil Shah's perturbed. Perturbed means disturbed. Why Adil Shah was perturbed, that we are going to see in this first point. The court of Adil Shah at Bijapur was passing anxious days due to the growing exploits of Shivaji. Anxious means worried and exploits means a daring act. Adil Shah and his peoples in the court of Bijapur, they were worried because Shivaji Maharaj was capturing one by one forts of Adil Shah. In previous lessons also we have seen how Shivaji Maharaj captured forts of Adil Shah. So Adil Shah was disturbed. He was worried. So he summoned all his Sardars to court to take stock of the situation. Summoned means called and take stock of means know. Sultan called all his Sardars to know what is the situation of Shivaji, what actually his actions are going on. To know that, so he called all his Sardars. All the Sardars, including those known for their exploits and those comparatively unknown, attended. Means the court was attended by the Sardars who knows the Shivaji's exploits and those comparatively unknown about the Shivaji's act. They also attended the court of Bijapur. Badi Saiba, the Dowager Queen, who personally looked after the Adil Shah administration from Bijapur, was also present. Dowager means a widow who holds a title or property that belonged to her late husband. Late husband means died husband. The one question before the assembly, means gathered people in front of the one question was there. What was? How to bring Shivaji to the book and break his revolt. To bring Shivaji to book means punish. And revolt means uprising, means his progress. How to break the progress and how to punish Shivaji. This was question in front of assembly. Badi Saiba, she is the mother of Adil Shah, and she asked a straight question to her Sardars that, tell me who is willing to march against Shivaji and put an end to his rebellion. Rebellion means only revolt, means only a daring act against someone. The court became silent. Everybody sat quietly in the place and started looking at the next person, for who would dare accept the challenge of fighting Shivaji. Just then, a giant of a man came forward and bowed respectfully before the throne. His name was Afzal Khan. Giant means very big or strong. Bowed means bent, and throne means it is a chair of the king. Next point we are going to see, that is the Khan accepts the challenge. The Khan accepted the challenge and picked up the betel leaf from the salver as a mark of acceptance. Betel leaf means vidyachi pan and salver means silver tray. Means here Afzal Khan picked up the betel leaves from the salver as a mark of acceptance, means he took the challenge to kill Shivaji. Shivaji, who is Shivaji? He said, I shall arrest him and bring him here, or if that is not possible, I shall bring his dead body. Like this, Afzal Khan said in the court of Bijapur. Afzal Khan was one of the mighty Sardars. Mighty means strong Sardars at the court of Bijapur. His physical prowess and strength were unbelievable. Prowess means courage. He could bend a crowbar, means a long bar, with his bare hands, means only with his hands he can bend the crowbar. He was a past master in achieving his aim by any available means. Past master means a person who is particularly skilled at a specified activity or art. Afzal Khan had accepted the challenge of bringing Shivaji to the court. Maybe it is dead or alive, and because of that, the court was highly pleased. People in the court, they were very happy because Afzal Khan is going to bring to Shivaji. Maybe it is dead or alive. Everybody thought that it was the end of Shivaji and that he would be brought to Bijapur either alive or dead. Afzal Khan left Bijapur in a great pomp. Pomp means grand celebration. Means in a grand celebration, Afzal Khan left Bijapur. He was accompanied by a huge army fully equipped for battle. Equipped means prepared for battle. Means he was prepared for battle and he left Bijapur. Afzal Khan was previously the Subedar of Vai for 12 years and knew the country well. He marched on Maharashtra full of pride and confidence of success. Next point we are going to see of the chapter, that is Swarajya in danger. At this time Shivaji was at Raigad. He got the news of Afzal Khan's movements. He immediately saw that his Swarajya was in great danger, but he did not lose his courage. He knew that the Khan was full of stratagem and had a huge army with him. Stratagem means plan. Shivaji's kingdom was very small in comparison and so was his army. Means compared to Afzal Khan, Shivaji's kingdom was very small and his army also was very less. He could see that he could never hold his own in the open battle against the Khan. Means in the open battle, face to face, Shivaji knew that he could not hold or face Afzal Khan. His only hope was in some strategic move that would take the Khan by surprise. Strategic move means here some planning. Means Shivaji's hope was in some planning that will be take the Khan by surprise. Shivaji's kingdom was small and he was having less army. So Shivaji Maharaj could not fight in open battle against Afzal Khan. So he decided to have some plan to fight against Afzal Khan and to defeat him. In consultation with Jijabai and with her blessing, Shivaji Maharaj shifted his headquarters from Rajgarh to Pratapgarh. Consultation means advice. Means here Shivaji Maharaj took advice of Jijamata and her blessing also he took, and with her blessing and advice he shifted his headquarters from Rajgarh to Pratapgarh. Next point we are going to see, that is the Afzal Khan's counter move. Counter move means an opposing move. Means only against of Shivaji some movement Afzal Khan has done, that we are going to see in this point. When the Khan learnt that Shivaji had moved to Pratapgarh, he became very angry. He was aware of the difficulties in conquering Pratapgarh. Means he know it is not easy to conquer the Pratapgarh because Pratapgarh was surrounded by thick forest and high hills. There was no proper approach road to the fort and it was very difficult to move his artillery. Approach means to come near and artillery means big guns. Means for Afzal Khan it was not possible to move his artillery because there was not a proper road to go to fort of Pratapgarh. Besides, the jungle was full of wildlife. Means Pratapgarh fort was surrounded by thick forest and in that forest wildlife means wild animals, they roam. The Khan started many moves in the hope of bringing Shivaji down to the plains. He attacked the holy cities of Pandharpur and Tulzapur. He harassed the people. Harassed means troubled the people. He was hopeful that this tactics, means this plan of Afzal Khan, would bring Shivaji down to the plains. But Shivaji proved too clever for him. He refused to leave Pratapgarh. Means Shivaji did not leave the Pratapgarh. Then the Khan changed his tactics. Means Khan changed his plan. In a spirit of apparent friendliness, he sent a message to Shivaji. In a spirit means attitude and apparent means clearly seen. Means here Afzal Khan, he as a friend in this attitude, he sent one message to Shivaji. What message he sent? See, you are like a son to me. Come and see me. Return our forts, and I shall see that Adil Shah makes you a Sardar at his court. Next point we are going to see, that is the tit for tat. Means in Marathi we say jashas tase. And English we say tit for tat means action done intentionally to punish other people because they have done something unpleasant to you. Shivaji shifted his headquarters from Rajgarh to Pratapgarh, and Afzal Khan wanted to bring Shivaji down from the fort of Pratapgarh. So first he troubled the peoples, and after, when Shivaji was not ready to leave the Pratapgarh, that time Afzal Khan sent message to Shivaji. So Shivaji also sent one message that we are going to see in this point. Shivaji quickly saw through the Khan's offer. He was taking no chances. He decided somehow to persuade me change the mind of the Khan to come to the fort. In reply to Khan's message, he sent that, Khan Sahib, I am guilty of having captured your forts. Guilty means responsible for doing wrong. Means I am wrong that I have captured your fort. Like this Shivaji said, I must have your promise of pardon. Pardon means forgiveness for this. Please forgive me for this. Please come and meet me at the foothills of Pratapgarh. Foothills means low hill at the base of the mountain. I am really afraid of coming down to the plains to meet you. This reply of Shivaji pleased Afzal Khan. Please means happy, means Afzal Khan was happy because of Shivaji's reply. Passing his finger through his beard, he smiled and said, this is good news. What can Shivaji do against the mighty Afzal Khan? He has no guts to fight me. Guts means courage. I shall myself go to Pratapgarh and put an end to his life when we meet. So he agreed to Shivaji's proposal. Last part of this video, that is the homework we are going to see. Students, you have to read page number 32 and 33 of EVS2 textbook. Thank you.